Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to get a definition of a word from ChatGPT so you can quickly access information and expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. To get a definition, all you have to do is type or ask ChatGPT to define the word you're curious about. For example, what does serendipity mean? Or simply type define serendipity. So ChatGPT will then provide you with the definition of the word along with any relevant information or context. If that's easy, you can use this feature to learn the meanings of unfamiliar words, explore different concepts, and improve your language skills. So the next time you come across a word you don't know, ChatGPT is here to help you with its vast knowledge. And that's it. You now know how to get a definition of a word from ChatGPT. It's a useful tool to have at your fingertips whenever you need to know the meaning of a word. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get a definition of a word from ChatGPT. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop expanding your knowledge. See you on my next video where we'll uncover more exciting features together.